greetings to you. Has there been a situation in your life where you had to make a decision that hurt your heart but healed your soul? It would never have been easy making such choices, isn't it? And it's normal to sometimes feel sad after making the right decision. Life is a journey filled with tough choices, and sometimes the ones that make your heart ache can actually heal your soul. Imagine standing at the crossroads, faced with decisions that might bring tears, saying goodbye to familiar things or dealing with tough separations. Choosing paths that hurt the heart seems stepping into discomfort, but within that discomfort, there is hidden power. These decisions push us to confront fears, discover our true selves, and grow. It's like a reset button for the soul, letting go of what doesn't serve us and embracing authenticity. Despite the immediate pain, heartache often leads to renewal. It's like a rebirth, leaving the old behind and making room for the new. Tough choices become a source of wisdom and resilience, shaping us into stronger and wiser individuals. Yes, my dear friends, sometimes you have to go through the hard stuff to heal and grow. Life's decisions may bring tears, but in the end, they help us discover the true strength of our hearts and the resilience of our souls. It's never easy making this type of choice, but your future self will thank you for your strength. Because the scars you carry tell stories of strength forged in the fire of difficult decisions. Trust me, friends, to heal the soul, sometimes we must navigate through the storms that break the heart. Thank you for listening. Choose to be happy.